Hi. So I've prepared some little thing here, and you will see, I have here just a cube, not your leg, but a cube, and it's just a mirrored object. So when you go in edit mode, I can really scale and do stuff. What I then can do is, I can just mirror it again. I create a mirror, and then in an object mode, I add an empty object here. And here I say, hey, please mirror that along this one. And now I have two objects, and I can move this object, I can edit, and as you can see, it kind of works. And that's the problem, because we mirror here and then we mirror this whole thing over here. It's not really too helpful. But what you can do is you can apply, you can apply the first one. And now you have the second mirror still active. That means you can now select, for example, this side, extrude it, rotate it by this, and move together. Okay, I just activate clipping, and this way I can freely do stupid stuff. You see? And I can easily mirror my objects this way. And this is still one object that, it's one object that is mirrored across this. This means when I move this around, strange things happen. Even more strange when I rotate it. But yeah, as long as you don't touch that, you can simply now model your creature or whatever you want. Just make sure that at the end you want to apply your mirror, and then you can move it around, because this is now a whole object. Yeah, and then you can also go and do sculpting and whatever you want. So this mirror thing is only for the first phase, and the later phase you want to go a little bit different. And I would strongly suggest here looking into more detailed tutorials, because this can get really interesting really fast.